In this video, we'll show you how to configure the default easing option for animations in Camtasia. By default, Camtasia uses exponential easing, but you can easily customize this to fit your needs. First, let's quickly review the different easing options available in Camtasia. While you can manually change the easing by right-clicking on an animation, you can also set a default easing option. This is especially useful if you want to maintain consistency across multiple projects. Once configured, any new animation you add will automatically apply the default easing you've selected, streamlining your workflow and ensuring your animations look exactly how you want them to. By default, Camtasia uses exponential easing. Exponential starts slowly, accelerates in the middle, and then slows down towards the end. Linear, no easing, meaning the animation moves at a constant speed. Spring introduces a spring-like motion, adding extra energy to the animation. Bounce adds a dynamic bouncing effect to the animation.
That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.